If you like our video, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.